Do you want to clean up your phone and free space easily? In this video, I will show you how to find unwanted photos on CCleaner so you can quickly delete junk images and keep your storage organized. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application. As you see here, you will move to this sign, as you see, of 3 lines. Then here in this page you will go to settings, so you will tap on your settings, as you see, and then here what you will have is analysis preferences. So you will click, and then you will find unwanted photos. Automatically scan for bad, similar or optimizable photos you might want to clean. So you will tap here to enable this one. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.